Do you calculate the standard deviation correctly? We'll analyze this after going through the procedure on the scientific calculator. Without further introduction, follow the instructions step by step. First, activate statistics mode for standard deviation calculations. Go ahead and type in all the values. For example, here we find the standard deviation of a sample. It turns out to be very useful to use the calculator to check your results during exams or homework. But, answering the initial question, it's common to make the following mistakes. Selecting the population standard deviation when you need the sample standard deviation, or vice versa. Forgetting to clear previous records before entering new data. Skipping values or entering them in the wrong order. And have you made any other type of mistake? I'll read your answer in the comments section.